Hey guys, this is Andrew with Rossmönster Vans, and today I'm going to take you through this awesome new build we just did. Today we have a Promaster 3500 with a 159 extended wheelbase. Not a whole lot of exterior options on here, just super clean vehicle. We do have 600 watts of solar on the roof. Couple awesome kind of features of this van, and as we step inside you're going to get the more general feel of it. It's very similar to like a medieval castle, which is awesome. Very unique, very custom, and we're going to step inside and show you some of these features. So first thing you'll notice in the doorway, we have a shoe cubby here, which is nice. Take your shoes off, put them in there. You don't track stuff in and out of your van. You also notice these nice shelves up above, which are great for like books or any other items that you want to put in there. Maybe it's gloves, maybe it's hats, maybe it's a leash for your dog, whatever you might have. Super convenient to have that right there. Also, you'll notice the flooring on this van. We used a super cool distressed wood plank bamboo flooring. Again, kind of sticking with the theme here, medieval. It has a very cool feel, and the flooring really makes that pop. Hey guys, so now we're in the van. Quick overview. You'll see we have a pine tongue and groove ceiling. We also painted it, and we have these really cool accent pieces there, which kind of gives it a beam feeling in the ceiling. You also notice we have stained oak countertops here. We have painted slab upper cabinets, as well as some 5-panel cabinet doors down here, as well as a closet right here with 5-panel doors as well. Stepping to the back of the van, you also see that we have this dinette option. So this converts to a bed and also has plenty of seating and storage underneath, as well as this lagoon table. So one of the cooler things about this van is just the attention to detail and all the cabinet pulls. You see here, some of our vans, we put a soft partition in. For this van, we actually did a hinge door. So you come in, that gives you access up to the cab if you want. Also closes, again, with a super cool latch system there. In the front here, this is our shower. This is a pretty standard size. This is a 24 by 30-inch shower. We also have a Nature's Head composting toilet in here. One of the questions we get asked all the time are, is it comfortable to use the bathroom in this small of a space? To give you guys kind of a reference point, I am 5'9". We'll call it 5'11" on a good day, but really 5'9". And you can see here, I have plenty of room. I could even sit down and take the shower if I wanted, but that might not be the most ideal thing. But for sure, plenty of room in the shower. It feels spacious and not too claustrophobic in there. Moving up, right behind that, we have a closet here. So just open closet space here that you can use for any of kind of the larger things that you have with you in your travels. Also underneath here, another big item that could go in there. Tons of storage in this van, which is super nice about the extended vehicles, is it does allow for us to have more storage for all the things that you're bringing along with you. Now moving back into the kitchen galley section of this van, you'll notice on the driver's side, we have a copper sink, as well as on the passenger side here, we have a Cruise 900 fridge freezer option. So these are nice because you have a fridge up top, or a freezer up top, excuse me, with a nice big fridge down below. These are a very convenient option because they don't take up a large footprint. Other convenient options in this galley are these sliding pantries. Another big thing in vans is finding a spot for all of your cooking utensils, as well as other foods that you want to store. This van is nice because we actually put in 2 pantries, both on slides. So tons of options there and capabilities. Moving to the rear of the van, you'll notice that we have this U-shaped dinette here. These are a nice option because when you put this U in, you can create seating around the whole space, so you can accommodate more people. And you'll also notice that in these dinettes, we have storage underneath. It's also where we will put the power and water system in this van. So we have 400 amp hours of lithium batteries, as well as a Rixen heater hot water system. You'll see if you look down here on the floor, this is the venting. So that is where the heat is going to come out from the Rixen system. This dinette will also fold out into a bed. It's going to be roughly 5 feet in length sideways, and this van is going to sleep east-west. And now we will take out this table, convert it into the dinette option, and show you what it looks like when it's in bed mode. And now we have it in bed mode. You see that in this, I'm going to sleep side to side in the van. Again, for reference, I'm going to be careful not to put my shoes on here. For reference, I'm 5'9" and have plenty of room to sleep in here comfortably. So now we're going to show you guys the systems in the back of this van. First, we're going to start with the power system on this side. This is on the passenger side. Again, you see we have 400 amp hours of lithium batteries. Also behind here, we have a 3,000 watt inverter. On the driver's side of the van is going to be our water cabinet over here. This is the wiring for the Rixen system. And then in the back, directly underneath where Lucy is at back there, that's where we have 30 gallons of fresh water. We also have a 7-gallon gray water tank, which is located, you're not going to be able to see it, but it's located up here under the sink. And then to transition back into dinette mode, so this would happen in the morning. You guys are getting up, getting ready to have a great day, or I guess in today's world, maybe you're getting up and just gonna go to work in your van, because we can work from wherever we want nowadays. And so these back cabinets, they just clip on there. I said back cabinets, I really meant back cushions here. And now you're ready. When it comes to airflow and lighting in the van, you'll see that we have a max air fan installed in the roof. That's really nice to pull air out and also push air into the van. You'll also see in the sliding door, we have a C.R. Lawrence T-vent window, as well as in the back, we have a small half slide window here with this really nice window trim, and then a larger window on the passenger side, also with that window trim, which really accents the windows and gives it a nice feel with plenty of light back here in the dinette location. Last thing to talk about here is our custom switch panel. You'll see that we have our just lights in the ceiling on a dimmer switch. We also can light up the whole panels here. We have under cabinet lights, which you'll see down there. You can connect to those with your phone and select the color. You can also like strobe through different lights. Personally, I kind of like the red in here. Again, sticking with that medieval theme. And then you also see we have all of our other controls for the other systems in here. We have our Victron Bluetooth battery monitor system, as well as the Rixen controls up here. And there we have it. Thanks for following along. Feel free to follow us on Instagram or follow us along on YouTube here so you can see all of the other van tours. This was my first one, so follow along and maybe you'll get to see me mess up another one in the future. Thanks. Have a good one.